One of the things that are great about FSTA is that you can set up alerts on the Clarivate Web of Science search tool. And the easy way of doing this is by getting an email alert into your inbox. FSTA is updated regularly once every week. And so you want to make sure you're getting the latest research from journals, conference proceedings, patents, and a whole variety of different sources that FSTA indexes. How you do this is quite simple. You should be able to follow this quick video. So I'm just looking here at a topic, diabetes. Now, I'm searching in FSTA, the food science resource. I'm also signed in to my personal account. This is important because you won't get email alerts unless you're signed into your personal account when you do this. So I'm just going to search on this here, as I normally would. I'm not going to look at all the results at the moment or do any Boolean operators or anything like this. I'm just going to show you how to create the alert. Over here on the right, there is a Create Alert button. Well, the first thing I do is I just want to give this a name. So just for the sake of the video, putting in diabetes alert here. And then I click Create. Now the great thing about this is that I've already got my email address signed in, and I've chosen a weekly alert, and that's the name. Now, I'm going to press OK. That's the way I need to save it. Very simple. I will now get a weekly alert by email for the search which I've done on Web of Science, Clarivate, FSTA. If you need any help setting this up, please let us know. We've also got a PDF that you can follow through if you like to read how to do this. Contact your Clarivate Web of Science representative if you need any help or support, or you can come to ifis.org and we're happy to help you with FSTA. Thanks for watching.